Well, Williams, Philippines. It is Saturday morning, uh, July 12th, 2024, or 2025. Long night, getting things taken care of, figured out. Running around like a chicken with my head cut off today and yesterday. Did get things signed, so yay. It's a go. I need to call and talk to a friend who's supposed to meet me for at the airport to pick me up and bring me over to the hotel, have dinner with him. They're in DFW, or they're in Dallas. So, yay. Huh. It is what it is. Yeah. Needless to say, I've got more stuff to do than I want to admit to. Don't get me wrong, I'm getting things off the list, but damn, it seems like somebody put the damn list on steroids. Definitely got it growing faster than I want to know about. It's not really growing, but dang, it's rushing up fast. But I am getting things taken care of quick. Today I need to pack some more stuff, get it to the room, get the back into my car loaded up with stuff to go to one girl and get that taken care of. I think I got the email address, each situation taken care of. PayPal stuff. Oh yay. Uh, yeah, there's so much to do, so little time left. Somewhere in all this, I'm supposed to get a couple of golf bags of golf clubs into my car and over to somebody. And I need to get rid of a few tools. I think I might know somebody who wants them. Uh, yeah, the boxes are supposed to go today, so yay. Uh, those BB boxes are heavy. They're ready to get out of there here, and I don't want to add any more. So I've decided what I can't fit, getting thrown in trash cans or given away. I just don't need more stuff. So I'm trying to get that figured out. And let me tell you, trying to walk with 3 bags ain't no fun. Oh, that ain't no fun. It is what it is, though. Anyway, it's been a very interesting night. I'm tired and I just really want to call it. So, this is going to be a short, sweet one today because just too much stuff to get done. I think I'm just going to throw everything into laundry baskets that I'm carrying with me and I'll figure it out when I get there. My feet hurt. I've been up and moving too much. Hazard of old age. All right, we start getting aches in all the joints. Then you use them and really put a lot of use to them, and they tell you nasty stories about, hey, you ain't supposed to be doing that to me. I'm special. Uh-huh. It is what it is. Anyway, think I might have. I think I'm gonna get rid of the Chewy. Guy said he'd take it, and you know what? I think I'm gonna let him have it as is. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, so much stuff. Anywho, I hope everybody's having a blessed day and enjoying their weekend. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family, and yeah, more food. Matter of fact, I gotta get some of that to get out of the house too. Don't want to leave a bunch of stuff in the fridge. When it gets cut off, that won't be a nice thing to see. So I'm gonna get that taken care of and moved out. It is what it is. Be nice if I hadn't got rid of all my ice chests. I could actually use one right about now. Oops. Anyway, Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. You know you, do you. Don't worry about other people, just do you. And I'm going to call it Williams Philippines Fish. Fish